In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi K70 and today I would like to show you how you can apply iOS launcher. Begin by opening Play Store and getting this app called Launcher iOS 16 from Launcher Studio Developer. When it's ready, open it. Then, to set it up, tap on Get Started. Click on I agree to terms and conditions. And then tap on Continue twice. Finally, tap on While using and allow in all available pop-ups. Then close and add. Manage all of those options however you want to, or do that later on. Now to apply your layout, click on Set as Default at the top. Click on iOS Launcher and wait. As you can see, my launcher was successfully applied. If you wish to go back to your default one, access the same app, click on Set as Default and switch to System Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!